Hey guys, how's it going? Today we're gonna install the 6-inch LED spotlights here in the kitchen area, actually in the dining room area here. We're gonna install about 6 of them. It's gonna be 2 in the corner and then 2 here at the front, so that's 4, and then 1 in the middle, 5, and 1 up here, so you can see here in the middle floor between the kitchen area and dining room area. We can have some lights, so it's gonna be staggered way. So 2 up here and then 2 down there. Here's all the tools I'm gonna be using. Some wire, drill. I got this dust cap. So when I drill the holes with our 6-inch hole saw, we have as less mess to clean up as possible. Long and flexible drill bit. This is in case that if the beams of the house go this way, parallel, I might have to drill this way. So I'm gonna get from the main power source, which is this light. This light's gonna be gone completely. I'm gonna patch it up and I'm gonna use that power line to basically distribute to all of the lights here, all the 6 LED lights. We're gonna use box for that. So all the lines will be distributed from this box here, and which will go to all 6 lights in each corner. So I'm gonna let the camera roll and you can watch me basically going through this process. So I got no power here. I'm gonna go ahead and take some measurement for the LED spotlights and their respective positions here. Alright, so with the drill set up like this, alright, so when I look from above, I can see this main line here that gives power to the old light switch. This follows through here and it already goes through the beam there, 2x10, and it comes here at the light switch. So my original plan to have the distribution box right here and then kind of like go to each light from there. So I'm gonna do the distribution from here. So here's my main power source. Okay, so at this point, I'm gonna go now measure for each of those spotlights how much Romex cable I need to pull. Okay, now I'm gonna check how far I can go from this hole straight to that hole over there. Since the beams are going across this way, I should be able to fish all the way to the other hole there. Yep. And as you can see there, this hole, that hole, easy. And to go from this hole to the other holes here, I'll have to drill through the beams. So this drill bit is flexible. I'm gonna try to get from the middle hole somewhere in this path area here, and then I can easily grab it. All right, so now I got the hole drilled for this 2x10 that goes across right here. And I can see the hole from here. Piece of cable there, through there. Okay, about there. And when I get to this other hole, try to get basically all the cables in this single hole here and connect it to everything to this main cable in this area. So if I grab it, or I should be able to grab it from here. Yep, there it is. So that's the other end of this cable. So now we got one of the spotlights that's ready to be hooked up. Now we do the same with this spotlight. There it is. Here you go. take this here, make sure it stays here, and we'll pull the cable from here. And here's the cable. Now I'm just going to push this the same way down there. It's probably just hanging out right here at the edge. Yep, it was. Alright, now, last one. Hey guys, sorry my camera died in the middle of doing this. As I was filming myself, basically putting all the wires that you see here, everything in this metallic box. And just like I said in the beginning of the video, this is the main line. All these wires for the lights, they're all hooked up with this main line. Basically all neutral to neutrals, all the hot wires with the hot wires, which is typically the black one, and then you got all of the ground wire, which is a bare copper wire all together. And I let the bare copper wire also touch this box, which is also a good grounding point. But yeah, and now we can shove this back in the hole and out of the way here. And over here, these are the electric boxes that come with the LED lights. And it's very easy and neat to put them all together. Also, this type of LED light, they have a switch here, which basically gives you the option for 5, 4, or 3K. So if I flip the switch right now, it says 3K. Probably gonna get brighter with every switch. So that's too bright. I'm gonna switch back to the lowest. The wiring here inside, as you can tell, black with black again, white with white, and then ground wire. This kit provides you with the wire caps as well. So this, you can also go ahead and hide in there and assemble the light. So once you hook it up here with its own line, with its own connector here, very secure. Now it has these two blue tabs here on the side. So when it goes into the hole like this, these tabs will push the light upwards, like so. Wiggle it on the side so it stays flush with the ceiling, and there you have it, ready to go. Just turn it on. Not too bad. So I'll do the remaining ones and we'll see the end results. Don't mind this hole. I'm about to patch the hole up, but let's take a look how it's gonna shine in here. Not too bad. So for this hole, I made up this little thing, which goes right in there. Alright guys, and here's the end results with everything patched up, and I painted just a little bit visible. Second coat will take care of it. But yeah, that's how it looks all in all. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you next time.